Hey guys, I'm Johnny with Blazer Grass Lawn Care, and as promised, today I'm going to give you an explanation on how I came up with the pricing for this property. Now, as you can tell, we got the property. Um, what we did was basically talk to the owner and explain to her how we were going to maintain the property, and we settled with an hour and a half per service visit. And she said that she wanted weekly service visits, so that's fine. We can definitely take care of that for her. Now, I know some of you guys are saying, well, Johnny, you guys don't usually do this type of property and all that good stuff. Guys, let me tell you, I don't show you everything that we do, all right? It'll be crazy of me to show you every single property or types of properties that we do. So, we generally strive to get these types of properties where we are there for 1-2 hours doing all the maintenance. Now, in this specific property, we're going to be there for an hour and a half every Friday or Mondays. And as you can tell in the back of these restrooms, there's a big wooded area where we can dump all our debris, so there's no dump fees included in this bid. And also, the customer is she's into nature, so the small clippings she wants to just kind of leave there. Plus, one thing that we did come in agreements with, I explained to her growth regulators that we will be using, and they will purchase all the cutlass that we're going to use, because mainly we're going to use cutlass on this property. Cutlass is a granule plant growth regulator, and it works great, especially with the trees and big shrubs. They work extremely well. All you have to do is basically go on the website and read up on the cutlass plant growth regulator. All right. Now, a lot of these shrubs she wants semi-formal, not too formal. And the difference with formal shrub trimming is that we'll get it nice and crisp and round and square. She wants it left more naturally looking, where like the azaleas and little pedlums and the vines, she just wants them to be neat and stay at a certain height, but she don't want them to be in an exact circle or an exact square. She doesn't like that look. She likes the more natural kept look. When it comes to the mulch, we're going to use pine straw, and mainly that is going to be bi-yearly. Is when we're going to basically install the pine straw on this specific property, and that will be additional service charge. So basically is 12 equal payments of $620, and the customer will pay for the growth regulator, which is a cutlass. And if I use a 50-pound bag, you're looking at $220. And if I use a 100-pound bag, then it's $440. All right. So there you go, $620 a month for 12 months, and I want to have per week. All right, guys. Thank you for all your comments. Have a great one. Pop smoke. Peace.